taping where they were doing it in the middle of the day, and they just had this crowd of people they brought in off of Hollywood Boulevard, and I had a good set, and you outroed me. You said, "Keep it going for Billy, man."
In the event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh, did you?
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's my...
Modified, and it allows you to tap into, you know, things that what we call supernatural, or what science cannot quantify. You can quantify it scientifically.
Like the internet. We don't even know.
It's pretty on the nose.
Pretty on the nose. Some people say I have a cute nose.
I've never been told I have a cute nose.
No, you.
I love sea creatures.
You should tell it.
Oh, okay.
You remember what you do with the catering? In basketball.
No, they assumed I was with the circus.
Where inspires you?
Who, what, where? Who inspires me? My wife inspires me. We're locked in.
Have you ever?
I don't know what they're like. You know, honey.
Extrasensory perception.
Here I go.
No.
I got into composing and arranging music.
You ready to...